Lakache Labadasta Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Kukute Lakache.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Kukute Lakache.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
I greet you all.
Thank you, Okotua.
As you all know, today's meeting is all about the new members that are willing to join the great Lakadasta Lakabasta Kukute. Who is the first person?
Okotua, I greet this young man here. His name is Saka. He needs our help. Yoruba proverb says, "Enonikon ati gbokon."
Thank you, Okotua. As you can see me before, I get money well. Plenty containers wey I dey export. Wey dey carry go from America, London, you know na Okotua. Even 5 shops wey I get for the month, all of a sudden, everything Africa. Now, I want to Daju, I want to Kala, and I want to Waika. Anything wey go cost me, I'm ready.
Are you ready to pay the price?
Black say get the pay as anything. I'm 100% ready.
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Saka, you said you are ready.
Very ready.
Labada 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 dubada dabuda dabada dubada dabada dubuta. Labada bada 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 labada 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 bada bada dudumba. Labada 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 dudumba. The great Lakache has agreed to help you.
Thank you, Okotua.
But this ritual will cost you a woman
Thank you, Okotua.
and your manhood.
Hey, woman, my manhood. If that woman, they plenty where people say life, they go call you now. But make my manhood, my whole okay, but I can't get the money finish. Now, wait, I'm going to use to enjoy the money. It's not possible. No, it's not possible.
Now, Saka, according to Lakache Dudumba, the minute you step into this chamber, there is no going back. You have to sacrifice a woman and your manhood. Failure to do this, you will be dead in the next 60 minutes.
Anyway.
Are you ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready, 100% ready.
Lakadabalabalabalabalabalabalabadundumba. Where is the shoes? Once you wear the ring.
Wait!
Wait!
Madogu! Madogu, Dogo! Madogu!
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Shaggy, one wá mi, I know the love, I go by the Peru, para. So, follow me. Shaggy, Peru, para. Alu, if Peru do the para. Come on, Shaggy, Peru, para, Peru. Hello, today, what's there? Well, that just watch me.
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Lakache Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
I greet you.
Thank you, Okotua.
I believe we are all ready for the sacrifice of the day.
The sacrifice is available.
The great Okotua. This is the lady I bought for the sacrifice. Oh yeah, hello.
Labada, 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 da, 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 lakashe, satanda, sitanda, palanda. Angelina, my sister.
My brother.
Yeah, I want you to check your phone, yeah?
Okay.
Because I have sent you 2.5 million naira.
Oh wow! Oh my God! Thank you, my brother. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you. I appreciate you. I promise not to disappoint you. I promise. Thank you so much.
See, you don't have to thank me. I'm only doing my duties as your brother. Go. You are the only sister, the only blood that I have. So I don't have any other choice but to take a very good care of you. Saka, this is my sister. As a matter of fact, this is my only sister. This is a sacrilegious, euphorious, sagacious syndrome. By the power conferred on me as the great leader of the Rakachwa Lakadasta Lakashe, I set my sister free.
Impossible! This is against the rules and regulations of the great Labadasta. Once the sacrifice is being brought, you can't take it back.
Yes! Therefore, she have to be used for the sacrifice.
Don't forget, Labadasta is superior and every other person is inferior.
Hello, let's go happen tomorrow. Where am I to go there like this? I beg.
Young man, keep short. Fame.
Don't forget, the last time you mistakenly used my son for sacrifice.
Labadasta Lakashe Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Labadasta Lakashe Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
Lakabasta Lakashe Kukute.
Superior we are, every other person is inferior.
I greet you.
Thank you, Okotua.
As you all know, today is for sacrifice. And this is my sacrifice for my renewal. Lakabasta laba 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 laba.
Okotua, this is not possible. This is my only son. You can never use him, please.